piece that Peter Robinson wrote. He said, there's a quote around it from the poet John Donne that says that any man's death diminishes me because I am involved in mankind.
Oh, really? And that's
So
perfectly sums it up,
perfectly married to the job. Yeah.
Well, you mentioned the books there. How much do you have to sort of stay true to them? Because I imagine people who love those novels so much will obviously have a very clear idea of what he's like in their head.
Yeah, and it's never me. It's their own personal creation. So I'm never going to be quite like that. But it's difficult trying to squeeze one of Peter's novels into 2 hours of television. So you have to take certain liberties. But we've worked very closely with Peter, and he comes over every year to keep an eye on us, which is great.
And what's lovely about this series is that you've got more time to kind of go into his character.
Yes, exactly.
You see a much more personal side of him. Like last week, you touched on it with the brother, but also his family, and so we get to know a bit more about why he is the way he is.
Yes, that's right. I mean, we wanted to start off just by showing him as the rugged sort of, rugged, that's how that
rugged and dashing.
Well, yes, but there's a dash of that. But determined, doggedly determined policeman. And we didn't want the audience to think that he's too influenced by things in his past. So, but now we can delve a little deeper, and then this week there's a little bit of romance at the end.
Yes, so I hear, because he is single, as we know, and we know that he has a love of music. In fact, let's just have a look at this clip, because this explains it for us.
You played in these concerts? You performed at Sydney Opera House?
Yes. Yeah, I hope to again in a couple of months, actually. Budapest first, though, in a few days.
You didn't strike me as a classical musician.
Whereas you do strike me as a policeman. Thought you lot did courses on not judging books by their covers.
Is there any reason why you don't have a very high opinion of us, Miss Jeffries? Have you had previous dealings with the police?
No, but I do tend to try and avoid people who choose to spend their days being suspicious of others.
So watch the space on that one.
Yeah, it starts off with an accountant has been found in his garage, executed, blown off with a shotgun. Not subtle, but he's just an seemingly ordinary accountant.
But he can't be, otherwise he wouldn't have.
Yes, after a bit of detective work, we discovered that he had he just had a different life. He led a double life, which is very interesting.
And you do all your own stunts, don't you? You insist on it.
I try to as much as possible, because if you can see the person doing it, it looks all the more believable.
But you're not so keen on the running scene?
No, the running, because they last all day.
So what we see on screen for 2 minutes?
Yeah, yes, there was one in the first episode where I ran through a hotel and out into a car park, but a car stopped just in front of me. It was supposed to, but the poor driver, who wasn't a fully qualified stuntman, actually parked his car on my foot.
Ouch!
Didn't drive over it, just landed on it.
You're not using the back foot?
Yeah, I was wearing sort of fairly, so I've now got, my left foot's about twice as wide as my right, so I swim in circles when I go. But yeah, so that was good fun.
Well, that's on, we can see this is on Wednesday, this is 9 PM on ITV1, but I can't let you go without talking about Wild at Heart, because you've just finished filming a special, haven't you?
2 hours later, yeah, it'll be on over Christmas and New Year, but I'm not sure of the exact date.
And so this ties everything up nicely and finishes
This is the
everything
big goodbye.
Quite heartbreaking.
Oh, it was after 8 years.
Yeah, I bet. Must have been a real family.
The four-legged friends as well as the two-legged.
Yeah. Well, let's have a look at this clip, shall we? Because you haven't seen this either.
It's an exclusive.
It's a wild exclusive. Have a look.
You better have cheetah post.
Cassidy?
Yes.
We've got to save Cassidy before it's too late.
It's a stupid, risky idea.
Look, come on, before the wedding. Just one more adventure. If something goes wrong, we'll stop.
Over Christmas. Thank you so much. In the meantime, DCI Bank, Wednesday, 9 PM on ITV1.
And spam a lot.
Oh, yes.
Hence this.
Hence the go-to.
Going into November to February, there's King